If you notice that whenever you get an email from a particular email address and it gets filtered into the promotions category of your inbox, and you're not comfortable with that, you want to always have it in the primary category. This video walks you through on how to do that. First, tap on your Gmail application for it to open. As the Gmail app opens, tap on the three lines at the top. This provides you with some options. Select promotions. Then on this promotions page, you will see some emails that are classified as promotions. And I want to work with Scott. Whenever Scott sends email to me with his email address, it gets filtered into promotions. I want everything to be in the primary now. So get to the profile icon, okay? Press your finger on that profile icon. Here, the profile icon here is S. Some people have their profile icon as their profile images, okay? Their profile pictures. So if the person uses the picture in the Gmail, long press on it. Once you long press on it, it will be selected. You can see the checkbox here. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. These three dots are not here by default. Okay, these icons appear immediately a particular email is selected. So I'll tap on the three dots. You are provided with some options. Tap on Move To. On tapping on Move To, you will see some other options. Select Primary. And now, this email is going to be moved into Primary. So let's go and check out. So let me tap on the three lines and select Primary. And as you can see, this Scott's email has now moved into the primary section. So anytime he's sending me email, everything will be in the primary instead of being filtered into promotions. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.